Well, we're out here. We're out here working on our snowmobiling. Cameron and I and my nephew, Austin. So Austin's out just kind of riding his sled, but really working with Cameron today on his riding technique. So what we're working on today, we're out in this like ravine. I call it Rookie Ravine because it's a great ravine to practice hills, you know, getting up on edge, getting your momentum down through the bottom of the gully, and it's just a great practice area. It's easy to get out of if someone gets stuck. Today's conditions are perfect because it's set up a little bit, it's a little bit of powder, but you know, with Cameron being on this F7, it's a short track, and it's perfect conditions, just the right amount of powder to give him that sense of powder, and you know, it's slipping a little bit, and he's not getting stuck, and it's just great practice. So some of the things we're working on is he's following me, and I'm showing him how to anticipate his weight transfer. So when you're looking at a hill and you're looking at that hill and going, okay, I'm gonna have to transfer my weight to the right side, do it before you need it. Don't wait till you need it. If you wait till you need it, it's too late. So I'm trying to teach him to watch my body movement, get that body transferred over so that weight is over before you need it. When you need a side hill or go up a turn or go around something, get that weight transferred. The other thing that we're working on is momentum. So when you come down into a gully, we're getting that momentum up, and he's getting that momentum up so he can make it up the other side and climb the hill on the other side. Keeping that momentum up is very, very important. Never stop on an uphill, always stop going downhill. So we're kind of riding this gully, riding the sides, learning to look ahead. When you ride up the hill, look downhill at where you're going to end up, because you don't want to end up in a grouping of trees. So we're practicing, you know, looking ahead, spotting where his exit is when he's going to be coming down the hill, and then of course looking ahead at where he's going to be going up the hill. Anything else we're working on? You're doing great. He's been this is his first year on a bigger boy sled. He's ridden the little 120 a little bit. He's ridden with me since he was born, but this is the first year of him all on his own on the F7. We taught him about the brake. He's been learning about the brake. Grabbing too much brake can cause the back end to slide out. He's standing up and using his legs. He's doing awesome. It's been a lot of fun out here. It's kind of flat light. The sun's coming in and out, so you know, it's not the best riding conditions for Dad to go out and get crazy. So it's a great time for us to just work on his technique and his riding ability. And it's just great to be outdoors.